Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnified League YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about an important topic that will help you to perform better in your semester exam. A strategic guide to scoring high with less stress, work smart, stay focused and secure your grade. So we are going to start this video. Let's begin. First, we have to check the reality. Before starting, we have to check what we learn, what we recall. Like, it's not about having enough time, it's about making enough time. Stop panicking and start executing. So we have to make the time enough. We don't think that the time we have less time, right? So we have to check what we remember or what we have to study. Okay, the next, game plan 80 by 20 rule. This is divided into two categories, the high yield zone and another category will be strategic skipping. In high yield zone, we have to know that 80% of exam questions is come from 20% of syllabus, and this 20% of syllabus is the high yield topics which are usually come in your exam. So this is the high yield zone, and the another one is strategic skipping, which is trying to read every single page when time is short, is recipe for disaster. If you study all the pages, you all the topics, then uh, this is basically disaster for you all. And focus on core concepts and repeated themes. The concepts which are coming uh, in all the years, you have to study these topics before diving into detail. So this is the plan 80 by 20 rule. The golden strategy is 3 unit to master. Don't aim for 100% it. You have to score good marks. So you have to prepare at least 3 units and you have to master them as well. If you have short on time and do not try to study all 5 units regularly, you will forget everything. Instead, perfecting master 3 units. You have to start master 3 units at least. This guarantees you 60% of marks. Once these are secure, you can skim the rest. Alright, so you have to prepare at least 3 units. This is the golden strategy to uh, get good marks or you clear your semester exam. You know. The next one is smart work versus hard work. Basically, hard work is we are reading all the topics, we are reading all the syllabus of our semester exam, blindly reading. This will not make you to remember all the topics. You are not able to remember all the topics. You are only reading. So this is not beneficial for you all. And when we talk about group study, it will efficient for you, but it is not more efficient because some people remember these topics and you are not remember, then you are skipping that topic. And the third one is 3 unit plus pyq. This is golden for you all, which is 3 unit. At least you have to prepare 3 units for clearing your exam plus pyq to get good marks in your exam. If you solve pyqs, then you will know what topics are coming in your exam, so you will prepare them. Analyzing previous year questions and mastering core concepts or units yields significantly high result per hour of study than passive reading. If you are reading all the topics, then you are not preparing efficiently for your exam in less time. So you have to analyze pyqs and mastering core units. The next one is a start recalling and stop rereading, or we can say stop rereading and start recalling. Active recall is king. The person who recall actively is a king. So more students just reread their notes, reread their all the topics, all the definitions, contents, and this will make you passive and create a false illusion of competence. Instead, close the book and try to read down or try to recall all the uh, topics which you study, and write down the notes which you the key points which you study or remembered. If you struggle, that's where the learning happens. You can also use flashcards and teach the concept to the empty chair or your friend and any member around you. So start recalling. Don't reread all the topics again and again and again. All right. The next one is the daily attack plan. This depends on person to person. This plan is like some people are morning people, some people are night people. So the peoples which are like to study at night, they can change accordingly. So I provide you, like for morning peoples, in morning you have to start studying hardest unit or new concepts which you are not studying right now. Your brain is freshest here. So in afternoon you have to solve pyqs, write down the things which you study at that day. At evening, light revision, active recalling of the day topics planned for tomorrow. At night, sleep is negotiable, non-negotiable, and it's when your brain saves the file. So sleep is very important. The next one is tips for your exam hall. As you all know, guys, you have to read first 5 to 10 minutes, which is very important, because in this time you have to mark the questions, you know, the better or best. All right. And the best first, you have to, in best first, you have to write all the question, or you have to solve all the questions which you remember or recalling on, like, all right. Attempt your strongest question first. This impresses the examiner and build momentum. I hope you all understand very well. And another one is time management, which is also very important. Don't get stuck on one hard question. Leave space and move on. Return to it later. Okay, which makes you management of time better. All right. And presentation, which is very also important. Use headings, highlight the topics which you write, or key points and bullet points and diagrams. Make it easy for the examiner to give you marks. If you use diagrams in your exam or in your copy, then examiner will understand